They won't ever see you like I do. They don't hear the warm melodies your heart pumps from within. They can't smell the sweet honey glowing from your radiant skin. Your outer layer doesn't show nearly half the treasures you hold and all the awesome thoughts you offer. But that's the greatest part of it. The fact that it does not show for something so pure, something so real, something so special they'd never understand. So damn rare they could never comprehend. Women, a truest gift to earth, and they'd play with you as if you were some sort of toy. Childlike games, fathers from a humble gentleman, mindset closer to a young clueless boy, and you stick around, unsure of your worth. How funny is the resemblance of love and lust, and who is to blame when temporary flings turn into permanent pain? The one who doesn't mind many different relations, or the other who settle for whatever title that was given, just to please the other? They won't ever know your full story, all you've endured, where you come from, what you've been through. Time-wasted relations, meaningless situations, backstabbing fraudulent friends, father abandonment, fear of being hurt over and over, all over again, and you're in the middle of it all. Partaking in these festivities because this is all you know, this is all you've ever seen. Have you ever considered maybe they were never worthy of you? Raise your head, stand up tall, demand respect, never settle. Life will throw you plenty of knockoffs and artificials, willing to take you for your everything, leaving you with crumbs with no intent to ever look back. What you mistake for love is old, but so far from it. Temptation will whisper to you at night like some sort of pleasure disease, reaching and lurking for your vulnerable soul. Don't give in. Don't allow it to screw you over. You deserve the best, to be seen for all your true colors. Next time we're looking in the mirror, embrace yourself, for the greatest love on earth comes only from oneself. Your value could never be determined by someone else. Protect and secure your temple. I promise no one will ever, ever love you like you. Someone so pure, someone so real, someone so special.